Giants roar, thunder, in a land of dirt and wonder. Electric dreams of battle games, robot lions play their names. Metal claws against the storm, flashing lights, the beast is born. Metal soldiers fight unseen, through a world of shattered dreams. Sword to rise, metal beasts awake, fight the dark in a world that's fake. Sword to rise, you've got to break, free from chains in this empty wake. In the shadows lurk the fate, gears are grinding, sealing hate. Reclaim the land with iron hands, through these fields of battered sands. Pulsing veins of oil and steel, synthetic blood you cannot feel. March together in the night, echoes scream of the endless fight. Rise from metal graves so cold, stories of the battles bold. Glorious in the clean light, swords reflect of primal light. In the shadows lurk the fate, gears are grinding, sealing hate. Reclaim the land with iron hands, through these fields of battered sands. Pulsing veins of oil and steel, synthetic blood you cannot feel. March together in the night.
With chainsaws banned for tree demolition, Spinal Sapper carries out his mission. Helic army excavation sword roll, the Spinosaurus Zoid is in control. Now for construction on the battlefield, Spinal Sapper is crucial and won't yield. With laser excavator he digs ground. Kylo's Empire Zoids better turn around. Clear the way through the trees, Spinal Sapper. Dig up the ground as I slide Zoid Trapper. Shoot aerial Zoids from the sky, rat-a-tat-a. Crush your foes into pieces, Steel Snapper. Built for the second war against Kylos, Spinal Sapper brings the construction dose. Builder of bridges and war outposts, to the Helix Spinosaurus Zoid is true. Hit on with your laser guns and strike Snapper. With all your might, Zoid Steel Snapper. Clear the way through the trees, Spinal Snapper. Dig up the ground as I slide, Toy Trapper. Shoot aerial darts from the sky, Rat-a-tat-a. Crush your foes into pieces, Steel Snapper.